Hello everybody, DRTS here. What I'm going to do today is we are going to show a very short tutorial on how to open your brand new website. So here I'm on the back end of my Jump web hosting plan, which I'm going to create a subdomain for the testing website, which we are going to do at the moment. By the way, thumbs up for jump.bg. They are really good hosting provider based in Bulgaria with Bulgarian IP. So it's perfect fit for my website, and which is called onlinemedicine.bg. So what we are going to do now is we are going to create a new subdomain. So some of these things can come into Bulgarian for some reason when my language is set in English. I have no idea why, but we're going to do it this way. So I'm gonna put webworks.onlinemedicine.bg. So it's not part of DRTS, which is my main website, drtsin.info, but I decided to create this video on the back end of jump.bg only because there was some kind of upgrades to the hosting here and it was inaccessible for some time. So basically what this says is to remove the tick here if we are adding an add-on domain to the main domain, which I'm not using anymore. So we're going to remove it because I don't want it. So let's submit this one, and then we're going to open the cPanel again. We are going to go all the way down to Softaconus app, which is the app installer. Then we are going to install a brand new WordPress website. By the way, just bear in mind that most of the agencies nowadays, they charge like £200, £300 on average, only to do this whole process which we're doing here in just in a few minutes time. So bear in mind this and learn how to use it. So we're going to use the WebWorks onlinemedicine.bg. You will put my WordPress blog or another WordPress website, and we're going to put this as part of DRTS. I'm not going to click anything else. We're just going to install this brand new installation of WordPress so I can show you what's going on. So we click on install, and I'm going to show you what the actual backend is. So this is our brand new website, and this is what many people charge like £200-300 only to create this thing. So this is just a random template theme which comes straight away with WordPress. It pretty much has everything required. If you go here on appearance, you can see the themes. So this is where the theme lives at the moment. That's where that is the actual theme. By the WordPress theme is completely free. You can enable the auto updates, you can use it, or we can activate this one. Deactivate it actually. Yes, I did, I believe. Let's refresh this one. You can see there is another layout. So it doesn't look very nice, to be honest, for a website. So we need to be very vigilant, and we need to work hard to make it nice and suitable for people to basically to enjoy our website. So what we're going to do next is install our first theme, so we can actually have an actual website. So let's choose a theme. Let's say Astra, for example, is a really good theme. It's quite fast, efficient theme, lightweight. It gives you an access straight away. You can do so much things with the free one. We can do the starter templates as well, so we need to activate this plugin as well. And we can build websites, and literally in a matter of minutes, whatever we want. We can easily start template, or we can use the builder. So we're going to start template. I prefer to use the Elementor, but we can do also the block editor, which is the WordPress one, or the Beaver builder. I'll start with the Elementor. So let's go, because these are all premium. What we can do is we can choose like an agency website. we can choose a template, or what else we can do is we can do a professional one. So I'm going to install the starter template, because we're going to turn this website into a blog which will correspond directly with the YouTube channel of the platform. So we're going to choose something nice. Let's see, blog. We can put this one as a blog. We can do the search, we can do the creative blog, or we can do food blogger and influencer. You can see blockchain technology, you can see vlogger, you can see business magazine. My opinion in this case is that we probably need to combine something like this and something like that. Let's see this one, what it is going to offer us. So yeah, it looks quite decent to me, to be honest. So let's do this one, and in the next video I'll show you how we can actually build our own theme. We will build our own theme, so we don't have to rely on any paid plugins or paid stuff. Even though I have the paid plan of Astra, this was my very beginning when I was a very brand new web designer, so I wanted to see how the things are done. However, in my opinion, we just need to have the knowledge and keep blogging, keep coding, keep learning, and keep expanding the knowledge. Let's build it. Let's see how fast it can happen for you, because you are going, if you want to build your own free website, you are going to use this technique. So you can use it for free, you can build it for free, and you can install it this way for free. This is our brand new website. Can you see how fast it came on our screen? Can you see copyright DRTS powered by DRTS? It's automatic. So now what we need to do is we need to go on the back end of the website. We're going to close this one. We are now in the backend, the WordPress backend. Obviously, we have the branding and Astra, etc., etc. But when we do it with our custom theme, which I'll provide a free link for you to download and manipulate, and let's say we go into the appearance, we go into the customize menu. Or we can choose the colors, we can manually change the colors. We need to be creative, we need to be passionate about what we are doing. Let's do some polishing of this website very quickly. So there it is. If you are the creativity room, if this is your business, well done, you have it. What we can do else is we can just go back here and we can go onto the page. So we have the About Elementor page, so we can go onto home page, front page, Elementor. We can right click it, open it, and edit it with Elementor. It's open now. We can press on continue, and then we can literally change anything on the website. So we're creative, let's keep it this way. That's it, guys. We click on update, then we go back on the front end of the website, we click Ctrl and R, and that's it. You can manipulate it, it's that easy. We can click on articles, we can do all sorts of things, but this will be a matter for another video. There will be all sorts of tutorials, so if you follow this channel properly, so don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, so you know as soon as I click on the upload button, you know that I'm uploading something, and you can watch it and you can learn how to create your own website for your own business, because in my opinion the business needs to be respected, needs to be appreciated, and needs to be supported. Right guys, I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe, look after yourself, and enjoy life.